Service standard and electric vehicles with Rotary's LT33A, specially designed for replacing electric vehicle batteries, but can also be used on other large components. The LT33A can be moved and positioned easily with its 360-degree wheels that can quickly be locked in the straight position for precise movements. Its air-over-hydraulic lifting system can be directly connected at the lift's handle and easily controlled by the conveniently located foot pedal, which offers precision height adjustments. The single-section scissor is more sturdy, stable, and robust than other lift tables. Plus, its mechanical locks take the load off of the cylinder alone, providing additional safety. Its 3,300-pound capacity exceeds the weight of electric vehicle batteries, and its working height of 26 to 67 inches helps reach the underside of all vehicles. The versatile tabletop features threaded holes for fixturing. The split sliding top can easily be extended. It can be shifted 1 inch from side to side, and it can even tilt on the aft end by 1 degree. Future-proof your business with the versatility you only get from Rotary.